This creature resembles many versions of some of fictional dragons we see in movies due to some scary traits like venomous fangs, speed and armored speed. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard living on the earth today. Here is some information on why these dragons don't need flight or fire to be worthy of our awe and admiration. Varanus komodoensis. Komodo dragons are solitary animals. The Komodo dragon is also sometimes known as the Komodo monitor or the Komodo island monitor in scientific literature, although this name is uncommon. To the natives of Komodo Islands, it is referred to as Ora Buaya Darat or Bayawak Raksasa. Komodo dragons were discovered by Western scientists in 1910. The evolutionary development of the Komodo dragon started with the genus Varanus, which originated in Asia about 40 million years ago and migrated to Australia, where it evolved into giant forms. The Komodo dragon prefers hot and dry places and typically lives in dry open grassland, savanna, scrubland, and tropical forest at low elevations. The lizard grows to 3 meters in total length and attains a weight of about 135 kgs. Komodo dragons are the heaviest lizards on earth. They have long, flat head with rounded snouts, scaly skin, bowed legs, and huge muscular tails. They have about 60 frequently replaced serrated teeth that can measure up to 2.5 centimeters in length. Their saliva is frequently tinged with blood. They have long, yellow, deeply forked tongues used to detect taste and smell. Komodo dragons have visible ears, although they do not have an acute sense of hearing. They are able to see as far as 300 meters. However, they have poor night vision. The Komodo dragon is also able to see in color. If it is able to bite its prey, bacteria and venom in its saliva will kill the prey within a few days. After the animal dies, which can take up to 4 days, the Komodo uses its powerful sense of smell to locate the body. A kill is often shared between many Komodo dragons. They are venomous as they secrete several different toxic proteins. The known functions of these proteins include inhibition of blood clotting and lowering of blood pressure. They feed upon carnivorous and carrion. They also hunt and ambush prey such as invertebrates, mammals, and birds. To catch prey that is out of reach, Komodo dragons are able to stand on their hind legs and use their tails as support. They have also been known to use their tails to knock down large deers and pigs. Komodo dragons will eat almost anything, including carrion, deers, pigs, smaller dragons, and even large water buffaloes. When hunting, Komodo dragons rely on camouflage and patience, lying in wait for passing prey. Because the Komodo dragon does not have a diaphragm, it cannot suck water when drinking, nor can it lap the water with its tongue. Instead, it drinks by taking a mouthful of water, lifting its head, and letting the water run down its throat. Other Komodo dragons and humans are their biggest predators. However, as hatchlings, they are also preyed upon by birds of prey. Because they are so big and ferocious, they are usually the attackers. The Komodo dragon is only found on 5 islands in Indonesia, therefore making its population quite small in relation to other reptiles. Moreover, the lack of egg-laying females, habitat destruction, and human poaching have threatened the existing species population. They are quite fast creatures and can move rapidly in brief sprints up to 20 kilometers per hour. Commodore dragons are most active during the day, but have shown some nocturnal behavior. They are solitary animals that only come together to breed and eat. Young Commodore dragons can climb trees easily with the use of their strong claws. Because of their large size, Commodore dragons are able to conserve body heat by sleeping in their burrows, reducing their need to bask in the mornings. They typically hunt in the afternoons and stay in the shaded areas during the hottest part of the day. They escape the heat of the day and seek refuge at night in burrows that are just barely large enough for them. The Commodore dragon breeding season occurs between May and August. Around 20 eggs are laid in September, which are deposited in abundant megapod nest. Eggs are incubated for 7 to 8 months, hatching in April in the following years when insects are abundant. The young dwell in trees for safety as they are very vulnerable to predators and cannibalistic adult dragons. Commodore dragons are capable of parthenogenesis, a form of reproduction in which an unfertilized egg develops into a new individual, occurring commonly among insects and certain other arthropods. Commodore dragons may be monogamous and form pair bonds, a rare behavior for lizards. The clutch size is 30 eggs. The lifespan of the Commodore dragon is over 30 years. The lizard's populations included fewer than 1,400 adults. Ecologists noted that it was stable and at low risk from hunting and other threats. However, in 2021, the IUCN decided to list the Commodore dragon as an endangered species.